In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert text to path in Figma. Figma is an incredibly powerful tool for design, and one common task that allows for immense creative freedom is converting text into paths. This process transforms your regular, editable text into vector shapes, which can then be manipulated in ways that aren't possible with standard text layers. Imagine you're designing a unique logo, a custom heading, or a piece of typographic art where you need absolute control over every curve and corner of your letters. Converting text to paths is the essential step that unlocks this level of precision and customization. It also ensures that your unique typography will render perfectly across any device or platform, even if the specific font isn't installed, because it's no longer a font, but a collection of shapes. To begin, you'll first need to have some text typed out on your Figma canvas. This could be a single letter, a word, or an entire phrase you wish to customize. Once you have your text layer selected, the first step is to right-click directly on the text. A context menu will appear, presenting you with various options. Among these options, you'll find Outline Stroke. It's important to select this command. When you click Outline Stroke, Figma performs a crucial conversion. Your text layer will instantly transform from an editable text field into a group of vector shapes. Visually, it might look the same at first glance, but functionally, it's now a collection of individual paths, one for each character. This action essentially vectorizes your text, meaning each letter is now defined by a series of points and lines ready for individual manipulation. You'll notice that you can no longer use the text tool to change the words or the font family, because it's no longer treated as text, but as a graphic element. Now that your text has been converted into paths, you've unlocked a whole new dimension of editing capabilities. The second step is to double-click on the newly converted text. Upon double-clicking, you'll immediately see a significant change on your canvas. Instead of the typical text editing cursor, you'll observe numerous tiny blue dots, or nodes, appearing around the outlines of each letter, connected by lines. These are your vector points, and they define the precise shape of each character. This is the moment you gain granular control over your typography. You can now click and drag individual nodes to adjust curves, sharpen corners, extend descenders, or even completely distort a letter's form. You can select multiple nodes simultaneously to make broader adjustments, or even delete sections of a letter's path if desired. This capability is incredibly valuable for fine-tuning the aesthetics of a logo, creating custom letter forms that are truly unique, or applying artistic distortions to your text for a specific design effect.